All right, here we go. We are doing the Mega Wooden Standard, getting the ballistic pop boom in the middle with the clay. Got the 2x6 clay, 2x6. Hopefully we get the big hole in the clay ring to give an actual better look at the pocket there, the boom pocket. And we're about 50 yards, 243 Revelations rifle, deer season XP, 95 grain. There we go. Yeah, we do have a nice little pocket going on here. That's that piece. This one kind of got blown in shape with the board, but we'll take a look at it. And we got the backside totally blocked, blown out in pieces. We've got a lot of wood and clay getting pushed through with the bullet. That's a good thing. We did not go through the first pair of jeans. Yep, we got what's left of the bullet. Some toasty. Damn, that is one. Alright, so we'll get this back to the table. And I like sweating profusely, as you might see. It's definitely warming up pretty quick. You don't get your shooting done early in the morning or late in the evening here in Texas or in a lot of states. Here we go. And as you see, the temperature is going up. That is off this table as well. But yeah, 106. If you want to read that right there. It's nice and warm. It's a good hot day. But here we go. We got the entry going in. I can show you. That's the entries as it's passing through. You can see the what's going on in there. I mean, look at that. It's splitting up a ½ inch right there in the wood. That's a nice little, definitely a nice little drill hole. Outstanding exit right there. Now here's the good part. That's the pocket. That's the clay. This was at the bottom, so I'm assuming that was up at top like that because it got blown off. As you see, that was the top piece. These are the sides, how it opened it up, pushed it out the pocket, opened everything up. Notice the burn in there as well. And we're down to 104. Yay, cold front. But here we go. We got a hole, just roughly, got a pocket of over 4 inches on this one, the 243. That's hitting the 2x6, and then the energy just bam. Here we got there was a case separation. Basically, in these, all the lead comes apart, but that copper staying together really well. Let's see, 0.61. Yeah, it's upside down for y'all. Let's look at the weight. Now, I'm not going to clean this out because I got to thinking, you know, when it's going through a deer or a hog, that fat and other biological materials, and their organic materials are going to stay with the bullet as it's moving, so that's going to add weight. I mean, it's going to, you know, the bullet loses weight, but yet it's still keeping some. Wow, we have a holy trinity. 333, 33 grains. That's pretty cool. But anyway, I lost train of thought there for a second. But yeah, so we got it going through. So yeah, you're losing mass, but you're also keeping mass with sticking with it, rolling around, you know, bone fragment and things like that. So it's just one of those things up there, you know. You can sit around and debate, I guess, start an argument, start cussing at each other and whatnot. But that is the boom pocket of a 243 deer season XP at about 50 yards. Not bad. We do have some widening of this. It did push it out 2, 3, 4. Dun 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 dun. But that's the boom pocket right there, laid out on the table for you.